So today's goal is pretty straightforward. I don't know if you know this. I'm going to Turso is a SQLite edge platform for you to be able to do everything on, and I've been sponsored by them for a while, and I've always wanted to. So I get some free hosting and all this cool stuff. But I've been wanting to try out this pattern that I keep seeing a lot of people talk about, which is with SQLite, you can build a database per user. And so I don't really know what that means. I've never really tried it. I don't know what problems I'm going to, experience, but we're going to try it out. So they have something called the Platform API right here, and we're going to use this Platform API, and we're going to see what we can do out of this. Yeah. A database per row. So basically a database. No, it's a little bit different because more databases per database. It's a little bit different than that. There's some very positive reasons why that. Let's just say someone says, hey, can you give me all my data? You know what I can do? I can literally send them the SQLite database. Oh, okay. You want all of your data? I will dump it. I'll just dump it literally to your computer. There you go. So from our little command line tool, they'll be able to dump the entire experience straight to their stuff. I will never have to write, where statements will become just how I want to grab stuff out of it. I don't have to do any, user authorization. Migrations will be interesting. I think they're going to be challenging, but it's going to be exciting. You know what I mean? What if you just use local storage? This is not a website, dog. I hate to tell you this, but this ain't a website. You know what I mean? How do you connect relations between data? Well, you still have a relational database. It's a database per user. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. Databases is another place that I haven't actively devved on and really had to go through migrations and everything for literally 9 years. I've been at Netflix for 10 years, and for the last 2 jobs, I didn't deal with databases. My previous job before Netflix, it was all about Google App Engine and their object storage and all that. And so it's this is it's been a while. It's been a while since I touched a database. It's been a smooth minute since I've actually tried to really seriously dev. I make some Hive queries, and I query a bunch of data out, and I grab stuff out of Mongos all the time, and I do a little bit of this and that, but it's I haven't gone through the process of databasing in just a tremendous amount of time. Aggregate functions won't happen. We're not gonna limit one and screw up our query. Okay, multi-tenant DBs also increase performance, so you're not running queries through unnecessarily large tables. Yes, that's one of the cells for it. I think this one's it's a very interesting cell. Right? I think you can do quite a bit with that. What's with the ninja hair? I lost a bet. You know what I mean? Basic DB knowledge is like writing about. I know how to do basic querying still and joins and stuff. But I'm using SQLC, so I don't know how joins work on SQLC. I don't really know what to expect. You know what I mean? I don't know how that stuff works yet. I got to remember all the syntax and all that kind of stuff. But let's get started where we just try to do something where I'm going to write a simple Go script. And I'm gonna first start off with curl. Let's start off with curl. Ooh, we can't start off with curl because then I'd share my token with you. Well, that sucks. Okay, so we're gonna have to do some sort of basic. Let's start off with a Go program. Put your token in end. Oh, I know. I already have my token in end. I know. Leak incoming. Dude, boys, we leaking tonight, okay? Tonight, we leaking, okay? Okay, tonight, we are leaking. Don't look at my automation. Don't look at my automation, dude. Lately, I've been working on TVUI automation, and I have just been loving the challenge. But man, it is goofy. There's some goofiness. I've been trying to figure out all the problems that we're having and trying to make a service more reliable. And there's some tricky shit out there. I'm just letting you guys know there's trickiness going out there. Trying to make devices be nice. IP whitelist the token. I don't know if you can you IP whitelist a token? I don't even know. Anyways, let's just Copilot, dude. Imagine Copilot leaking your tokens. That'd be so funny. All right, so let's go in here and let's go to. I'm just gonna do it in my Vim APM folder because that's kind of where we're at. We've been just building these things here. So let's go like this. Let's create one called DB and let's have a main.go and let's just do this whole oopsies. Let's just do that whole thing. Func main. Let's go func myself lib squeal and let's do that guy. We got our little lib squeal. I'm going to want that. Oh, I can't do this. Dude, why do you gotta be like that? Why you gotta be like that? Why do I always have to go mod tidy you? And then you gotta do this, and then you gotta go Turso database, and oh my goodness, and Turso database, and do that, and then go in here and bang my go mod tidy. Do that, and then LSP restart. Hey, I can't. I don't even know if this works. All right, there we go. So we got that thing. So how do we make like a curl request in Go? I don't. What's the HTTP? How do I make an HTTP request in Go? I assume it's just there. I assume it's just literally HTTP, and then I just do like a get on it. Okay, yeah. Can I do a post? Oh hell yeah. It's probably all I gotta do, right? It's probably all I gotta do. Wow, I got like IO utils and everything going on here. Do a little get right here, response. Okay, beautiful. Body, read all body. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this should be pretty easy. So let's start here. I hate that from Go. What do you hate from Go? I mean, the fact that I just whipped it out. Why is it so easy? Because Go's standard library is both really fantastic and really annoying all at the same time. You know what I mean? All right, so let's go here and let's go back to this and go here and CP. Yeah. Let's do that. Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, I got some stuff in here. Let's go. Let's make this thing Turso. Yeah, why not? Let's make the database name. There we go. I think that's good. So I'll just delete that for a quick second. Go cloak toggle. There we go. So I'm just going to try to make something where I replace ID with the ID. You know what I mean? There we go. Okay, cool. I feel pretty good about that. Okay, so we got my DB name, we got my URL, and we got my token. So I did make this. I did pre-make that because I knew I was going to mess that up. So instead of messing that up, I'm just kind of avoiding this. So I think I can just use the bearer token that I already have, and I think that will just simply work. I believe the token I've already created will work. So if this works, I don't know, my organization name, I believe, is a default, right? I believe it's a default. So let's try this out. Let's try this thing out. Let's try it out. I didn't realize you dyed your hair green. I didn't realize you dyed your hair green. Well, you know what I didn't realize? I didn't realize that your humor sucks, okay? Did you think about that one, crashing it? How do you feel now? All right, let's go like this. Let's see. Is there headers in post? Let's see, URL, content type. Ooh, what is this? This is not. How do we do it? HTTP, let's see, headers, Golang post. All right, blah, 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 blah. What do we got here? It's okay, just post form, do all this. This is a reader. Why are we reading? Why am I reading values in? This is post form. Now, if I use post form, address pass, okay, this is not what we're looking for. Maybe let's see with request and go. Oh, look, see there, that's what I see it. R dash header. Do you see that? I see it. All right, so we see it. We have a little post struct. Okay, we have a little post URL. We're close. We have our bodies. Oh yeah, look at that body. Looks so good. New request. Got him. New request. We got this. Hey, thank you very much, Kmon. I appreciate that. I know I turned very Italian there. I turned into like the most stereotypical Italian I could muster. Okay. New request. Let's go like this. Let's do a get. I do like this get. And let's try that bad boy. Right? And what else is in the get? URL. Let's do that thing. Okay. Do you like how Copilot's trying to help me? Copilot, help me. Thank you. Thank you for helping me. Thank you, Copilot. You're a gem. You're truly a gem. Rec tum By the way, okay, can I just take a second here? Can we just stop? Can we just stop with this? Go. As a community, can we just stop? Can we just stop? Okay, like, you know, I'm not trying to yuck your yum right now, okay? What I'm trying to do is let you know that one-letter variables They suck. You know what's not sucky? 3-letter variables. Rec. Okay, I'm fine with that. Okay? Don't you suck, you don't suck, you sip. Yeah, you know, I'm just saying, if arrogant, it'll get wrecked. You know, I'm just saying, R is request or response. Yes. I'll yuck some yum, dude. I'll yuck some yum. You'll never change my X variable. I'm just saying, R could be response. R could also be resolve. It could be, who knows what it could be? Rec beat me. Me a beat. Wreck me a beat. What the hell is this late ass stream? Are we gaming too? No, tomorrow. I'm not, dude. I don't know what happened to my life. My life, so it's radius. It's clearly radius. All right. Anyways. So now that we got that, let's go authorization, and let's go like this. We're gonna need a little bit of one of these, right? We're gonna need that .env. We're gonna hit him with the load. Can I just go like that? So why are you not doing this? Why are you not doing this? DB token. I think that's right. Yeah. Go mod tidy. Okay, we're looking hot. We're getting kind of hot here. We're getting hot here. Couldn't even load an environment. Couldn't even load an environment. Rob Pike says, if you use a var near declaration, use one word name. I don't necessarily disagree with that. All right, so there we go. We set that thing. Is there like a send? Do this one. All right, we got the body. We got the post URL. We got that bad boy. We got the new request post bytes body. We got the R. We got the add header. And then we need to do a client. Then we got to do. We got to do it so good. We got to do it so good. Let's do this. So we're going to do it. Boys, we're doing this so good. Okay, we're doing it so good. Okay, we got that. We got that. We got response now. Oh, hell yeah. All right, what do we got here? How can we just read it? Just is there a way just to read all the contents? Can I just read the contents? New decoder. I don't want to decode the body. Just give me the strings. Give me the strings. Give me the bytes. Give me the bytes. Give me the bytes. Give me the bytes. IO util. Isn't IO util? Isn't that deprecated? Isn't IO util like all deprecated and stuff? Did he get a new ball? No, I haven't. IO util. It is? Yeah, OS is the new one. Okay, so what should I use? I thought it was OS read. Read what? Yeah, it's deprecated. Your tips for Vim have been life-changing. Hey, no problem, buddy. IO read all. Oh, it's IO read all. IO read all. Nice, nice. Okay, I like that. And what comes out of here? We got ourselves some bytes and some errors. Data, this one, again, 14 up here, 14 down here. Again, you must suck. It. All right, there we go. We're looking good. We're going to go jump over here, and I'm going to give you guys some screen key because I know what you guys really want to watch. I know what you guys want, okay? I know what you guys really want. There we go. So let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. You know what I mean? You like what we got here? Let's try this out. So we're gonna let's try it. Whoopsies. Let's go like this. Default. What do you guys think? Do you think this is gonna work out? Panics, log fatal, looks good. Yeah. Why not? Why wouldn't you do that? Oh, is that a panic? I missed that one. There you go. There we go. Go run command db main go. Token contains invalid number of segments. Okay, so I don't know what my token is. Okay, I copied it over, but I will say that clearly I am weak and I'm incorrect. So we're gonna have to do what I normally do. You got segmented. I'm gonna generate a token. We're generating a token, boys, and you're not allowed to look. Show the token. Let us help. Just to make sure, Turso DB token. What do we got? We got list. Oh, what is it? Let's see. No, it's a token. Dang it, what is it? Why don't I know this? Auth API tokens. Okay, I don't know if I've done an API tokens. What do we got here? List. I was just logged in. All right, hold on. I'm killing any credentials just in case. Just in case I need to type in my password. Big tits 69 420. You honestly you wouldn't understand. You wouldn't understand. You guys wouldn't understand. All right. Shh. So easy. So easy. It's actually big tits 420 69. Everybody already knows this. All right. All right. So let's go like this. Let's list some tokens. Apparently I got name. Okay. What do we got here? Let's mint a new one. API token name, D's Nuts. I don't know if you guys know this. Actually, let's name this one Prime Brazil. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to name this one Prime Brazil. Don't worry, I already know that exists because if you go to turso.tech/Prime Brazil, you will know that Turso, they sending me to Brazil, boys. We going to Brazil. I'm going to lick somebody's foot, and we're going to call it a day. Okay, very excited. Let's go. Brazil mentioned. Brazil mentioned. Did I see Melky Dev slip deep in here? Oh, Melky, you little hot dog. 19 letters long. Let's go. Melky, you little hot dog. Okay, so this is my token. Okay, this is my token. Let's go like this. Let's list what we have. Let's revoke name. We'll revoke the other one here in just 1 second. No API token. Oh, okay. Name is just the thing. Okay, that's fine. I mean, that's fine. So let's go down here and let's add that to my list of things I want to go to. Let's take that out of here. Let's go DB, DB. There we go. Get that out of here. Cloak, toggle. I don't know what this is then. I don't know what that is. So I'm just going to paste this one in here for now. And let's do a little go run this thing. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Token equals this. Paste that in. Token print ln. Not use that one. That's a joke. Nobody uses that one because it's a joke. It's a joke. All right, so, I mean, that looks correct. That's my token, right? That's my big old token. Okay, so what am I must be generating the wrong thing. So, here, let's go like this. Let's do Prime Brazil for a second. We'll revoke it. There we go. It's gone. All right, it's gone. Bearer. Man, oh, am I missing the word bearer? Am I missing the word bearer in there? Ah, oh, come on. Don't do me like that. Authorization, bearer. Oh, F me in the A. Okay. F me in the A, boys. You're missing the bear, dude. Dude, basic auth. Okay, let me try this again. All right, let's try this again. All right, there you go. You guys aren't that fast at causing me a headache. Authorization, dude. I can't believe I just got just owned like that. I got owned so good. Organization default not found. Interesting. Which ones do I have? Here, let's go like this. We'll do another Turso. We'll revoke it for a quick second. We'll just revoke it real quick, like, you know what I'm talking about. By the way, did someone just sub to me? Soy dev, stay soying. Dude, you gotta stay soyed. Is bear always needed? I think that is part of whatever token type thing. Hey, Rez, appreciate that. HB auth with bear tokens is so dumb. I'm just surprised you have to add the word bearer. Is there other words that you add? Dude, I have not played with any of the auth stuff in so long. I don't even know. Yes, the Prime Engine. Yes, Melky, I'm listening to you. I'm listening. I'm literally fully erect. I'll see you in a month. Melky, are you gonna come to the Streamer Awards? Johnny Santos. No, Fem. Oh, I know you're coming to Fem. I know you're going to be a femboy. Me and Melky are painting the town femboy, okay? Yeah, it's just a standard one. Okay, you can add basic. Okay. Polar bear, if you are using Snowflake. Bowler. Is there bowler? Okay. Anyways. So what do we do wrong here? So I don't have an organization, so let's go like this. What do we got here? Do we got organizations? We got like, what do we got here? Do we got organizations? Where is organizations? What the hell is organizations? I haven't played around with this part at all. All right, list. What is an organization? I thought I had databases, and I thought there was like the default. How do I list organizations from this thing? Is there a way to list organizations from here? Can I go like this? List workout. I got one called workout, boys. All right, so that one, show information about it. Show workout. Does it show me anything that's like nice to know? Like, does it show me group? Is that my organization? Do I have an organization? How do organizations work? Returns a list of databases belonging to an organization or user. Is my organization my username? Did I just miss? Did I miss the Turso? Oh, org. Dude, I'm so stupid. I do not like the song playing. It makes me angry. I hate like bad versions of what almost sounds like punk rock from a while ago, and it's just terrible. Okay, I do not like this. Thumbs down. Move on. Move on. Bro, there is literally an organization section in the docs. I know there is. Don't you tell me my business. I got personal. Name personal. Personal. We're gonna get personal, boys. Okay, we're gonna get personal. Personal. Is it personal or the Primogen? What do you think? Do you think it's the Primogen? It might just be the Primogen. So we're gonna go in here and oh my goodness, we're gonna go in here and we're gonna do a little Turso auth token mint Prime Brazil. We're gonna jump back in here. We're gonna just bang this bad boy in, do that, and we're gonna hit it with a little go. Nice. Nice. Noise. Nice. Okay, that's pretty exciting. And okay, so we are able to list these things. And personal must not be the thing they're looking for. Yeah, okay. So when we do Turso org list, this is the what's it called? This is like the plan that it's falling under. Is it the plan? What is it? I'm not really sure. Noise. I'm in. Okay. So let's again, just so I don't get emotionally bruised. I'm just going to revoke my token. Type of org, maybe. Yeah, it's probably the type of org. Okay, so there we go. All right, we got that running. Okay, we're Oregon. We're Oregon. Okay, so let's look at the create stuff. What do we got here? We got some create. I don't want to. Let's see. Creates a new database in a group for the organization or user. Okay, nice. I think we can do this. Okay, this should be easy. New database group default. All right, so let's see. What do we got here? So I guess the first thing I need to do is take that thing out, 8 down. Oh, dang it. There we go. Paste it in there. Organization name is the Primogen. Ooh, I just misspelled the name. I just noticed the chroma key taking out part of the blue hair. Yeah, it happens. This token. Nice job. I already took it out. We already revoked it, dog. It's okay. It's Tolkien. All right, so with that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop printing out my token. I'm going to jump over here. I'm going to close my computer for a second, and I'm going to recreate Prime Brazil. Prime Brazil! Prime Brazil! Isn't that what all you Brazilians sound like? Did I do a pretty good job? Am I doing a good job? GG, yeah. Standard Brazilian laugh. The other, of course, standard Brazilian laugh is... I don't know why. Why? Porque Maria. Okay, when I'm sitting over here and I'm seeing this, I'm like, Porque Maria. Hey, Miles, I don't know if I said thank you, but appreciate that, okay? Whenever you see Brazilians laugh... Dude, it's better than... Yeah. Is it? Hua. What's the Japanese one? Someone knows the Japanese one. What's the Japanese letters that they type? Is it all W's or is it all X's? What is it? Is it all W's? It's all W's, isn't it? Yeah, dude, that one's so great. Just W's. W's for everybody. Dude, yeah, W's for grass. It looks like grass, and laughing sounds similar to that word, correct? Is that how it goes? So good. Dude, it's so good. Is sad equals all L's? No, W for waru. 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 How do you see I quotes without keeping that stuff in the register? I mean, you paste what you copied before. Oh, I didn't do that. I came here for the Golang, stayed for the laughter. Yeah. So what you're asking me is, how did I just do that? Because I went up here, and let's go like this. Let's jump back to, 3 minutes ago? And 2 minutes ago? Yeah, right here. Yeah. So what I did is I went like this. For all those that are wondering, I went like this. Why I was over here and I did this. Why I single quotes. So I just copied out on this line that. I jumped down here and I didn't CI double quotes, dog. I VI double quotes P. You know, get your shit together. You don't know. No. Get out. Oh my goodness, get out of here, okay? We got our bear. We got so many bears going down right now. Okay, we need our content type application. JSON. Okay, content type, even though I've been on a system. I've been bit by a bug on a TV after me and Guy Sereno did an all-nighter. We got bit by a bug because content type, I think it was Alex Wolf who discovered it. The content type was case sensitive. They did case sensitive headers. That was an all-night bug that we all were had by. And I think it was Alex Wolf who discovered what was going wrong. It was Alex or Guy. I can't remember, but that is really, dude, I know. Case-sensitive headers, that's emotional. They expected everything to be lowercase, right? There was, dude, I know the pain. Dude, the emotion. Who does that? I can't remember. It was like 2014 or 15. Dude, I know, dude, that shit was so awful. It was so awful. All right, so we're going to go back in here, and let's try creating a database. All right, so what do we got? We already got this one, organization. So we just go databases, organization, databases. Nice. Make that a post. All right, and then we got the token. We got the content type. Now I need to get that data. I got to put that data. I got to put it in. What did they do? Someone had like a nice little trick that they had. What was it? Bytes. Oh, they literally just raw dogged that right in there. Oh, okay. I guess, boys, we raw dogging. We raw dogging this one. We're just raw dogging this one. Let's go. Is it a tick? It is a tick. Let's go like that. There we go. We raw dog. We raw dogging this one. Yeah, let's go like that. Or I guess we should just indent it in. I don't know what to do. Undefined bytes. We raw dogging it. All right. Isn't it great? I literally barely know Golang. I get to program it like 3 hours a week. And I already feel pretty good with Golang. I'm starting to get used to the blue hair. Yeah, that's pretty reasonable. I already feel like pretty snazzy on the old Golang. Azeroth. I'm not great. I don't think there's an only need. I would do everything you can. Golang is small. I know it's there's something very nice about Golang. Don't make a generalized linked list. That doesn't sound fun. But everything else sounds good. All right. Anyways, data. Got it. Thank you, Cosmic Boots. I appreciate that, and I want to let you know something. And I'm gonna whisper this in your ear. Okay, hey girl, can I whisper something in your ear? Cosmic Boots, there's something I want to just tell you. So deep and so good. It feels like the moment now. Okay. Yeah, I won't do that again. Okay, yeah. No, you're right. I shouldn't talk to the new interns like that. Love this song. Anyways, let's keep on going. Hey, TS Clay, how you doing? That's why we weed carrot. I know. HR can't let anybody have fun. Always protecting the business. All right, so we're gonna try this thing. We're gonna try creating a new database. Let's call this name Prime Brazil. Okay. And we're gonna do this under the name. What is it called? Default. Yeah, it's the prime. Oh wait, no, it is default. And then we need a little one of those. We don't want any ending of that. We have that thing, and then we need to feed it its body fnil me. We throw data in there, and what is your problem? Data byte as an IO reader. What do you want? What do you want? I thought I could just throw that in there. Can I not do that? Bytes new buffer. Oh, okay. Thank you. Bytes new buffer. Bite these nuts. Oh my goodness. Ugh. I can't even see what I'm typing. All right, so that looks good. So we got bytes, new buffer. We got all this. So what I'm going to try to do is we're going to try to create Prime Brazil right now. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I thought I was all smart hiding my screen, but then afterwards I forgot to clear it. So I still have the token right here. Prime Brazil! So I have to... revoking Prime Brazil! All right, re-knitting Prime Brazil! All right. There we go. All right. Cleared off the screen. All right, dude, I'm a genius this time. A genius. Thank you very much, Tree Sort. Howdy, Prime. I'm a non-traditional college student. What does that even mean? Only 24, but have some experience. I graduate in December. Do you know of any companies that are hiring process for December grads? I don't know any of that, honestly. Real talk, no idea. First time, let's go. Griffin, thank you for the raid. I appreciate that. Can we get a shout out? Did we shout out Keely earlier? Did we shout out Keely earlier? I can't remember. He has attended college for an unconventional amount of time. Yeah, we call those people doctors. You know, I was a December graduate. You know, I just kept going to the university. Anytime you have a career fair, dude, if you're at a university, the career fair is so good. There are companies that are willing to hire dumbass developers, and they all go to one spot. Tommy Boy's a solid reference. Thank you. I figured, Griffin, you'd get that. You know all the references. But career fairs are OP, dude. If you got a chance to go to a career fair, go to a career fair. It's like stupid not to. It's stupid not to go to a career fair. Honestly. All right, so let's see if this works. I'm going to try to create a database now. Page not found. Okay, so I guess I screwed that one up. What's not found? Do they just not have the right address? Do we not have the right address? All right, let's try that again. Database is the primogen, right? Right? Div. I appreciate the gifted subs. You're making me kind of hot and bothered right now. Many appreciations. Let's go, Div. Let's go, Dev. Because I don't see, like, okay, Div, like what I don't see is you suck, right? Where's my you suck? All of my errors have errors like this, right? Oh, that means this is what's being printed out, right? That means I'm doing this right here. I am right here, right? Is that what's happening? I'm getting all the way down there, right? I am right here. Okay, I got a 404 page not found, successfully read everything. So what is not found? Huh, well, that doesn't make any sense. Div, appreciate that. And Kamori Goat, I appreciate the Twitch Prime. Let's go. Man, you're kind of interesting. Your videos are interesting, but you are so obnoxious to watch. Jesus Christ, it's unbearable. It seems like you have autism. Thank you, Nick Fluentes. Fluentes. I probably do have... I don't even know what I have. I like your videos. How do you like my videos? We call it acoustic here. Yeah, can you please use the right terms right here? Because honestly, when you come out the gates like that, you're coming out a little like, you're kind of like, you're giving me clinically regarded vibes. Okay? I can't tell what's going on. But like, we're talking like heavily regarded right now. Yeah, dude, heavily regarded. Oh my goodness, thank you, Infectious! Clinically regarded. I know, the man. Is this Wall Street Bets, dude? I mean, I would be personally impressed with such a regarded individual. Here. You know? New levels of regardation. Yeah. It's crazy. It's crazy. He's back on coffee, boys. Pure entertainment. Yeah, but Sam Griffin, to be frank, you're way less annoying than Prime. Okay, also fair. Also fair. I believe the correct term is highly regarded. Is that true? Nature's poisonous creatures develop bright colors, warn others toxic, funny meme, political. What? What? That is perspective based though. I'm not too sure about that. I think TJ is onto something. TBF does not mean to be fair. It does not mean that. It's the big Frank. I mean, a based perspective. Damn. To be fat. All right. Okay, so apparently we're getting a 404. Is it not a post? Is it not a post that we're trying to do here? Yeah, okay, so it's like definitely a post. Hold on. Post databases. I believe I have the authorization correctly. I should have the data correctly. Here, F it. I'm just going to go like this. F it. I'm exposing the tokens again. Here we go, boys. We're exposing the tokens. Curl. I should have named the script curl. That's kind of stupid of me to name the script curl. You know what I mean? You should name this. You should name the script curl because that's stupid. You know what I mean? That's stupid. New database. Brazil. Group default. There we go. So this should be all good. Let's go like this. The Primogen. There we go. I think I got it. LS. Curl. Yeah, not found. Okay, so I wonder what's going on here. Okay, hold on. Do you think it has something to do with this? This? Do you think it has something to do with that? What's not found? What am I missing? What am I missing? First try, boys. First try right there. First try, boys. We got a first try. We got a first try. URL and docs is wrong. I know, dude. This is 100% speed run. No damage. No damage taken. Gotta love, yeah, dude. Okay, now I'm feeling a bit regarded. Okay, we just witnessed history. All right, so I'm gonna redo that old thing. The old the old thing. I gotta get myself a new key. Did we ever ban the guy that called me autistic? I can't remember. Did we ban the guy? Nobody saw nothing. We modded him? Oh shit. Damn, what a smart move, chat. I mean, honestly, I think it's a pretty good idea. I think you're onto something. You know, if first If first you're not regarded, you're mod. That's what I always say. That's what I say. That's what I always say. Yeah, he's gone. I know. The guy was the guy. You know, here's the thing about the internet is the internet is a place in which you can for free deliver your opinion, but the thing is that your opinion on average is just pure horseshit. You know what I mean? I almost just exposed my code again. Nobody on the internet gets punched in the nose. People deserve to get punched in the nose. You know what I mean? No, I'm not gonna mock people. I'm not gonna ban people that are mocking autistic people. I wouldn't call this autistic people. I wouldn't call this mocking autistic people. And here's the thing: is that like a lot of people here, they don't need to be tone policed. You know, like go to someone else's channel if you want thorough tone policing. Like, long as you're not saying something like just egregious, right? Like if you say something really mean, like, you know, like autistic people, some mean thing right afterwards, then yeah, I'm gonna ban you because that's like being a dick. But if some guy comes in here, calls me autistic, and I call him regarded, you know, that's the internet. You know, that's the internet. It's just like, welcome to the internet. You try to, you know, that's the. I mean, this is literally the reason why we're saying acoustic and regarded, is because that's what happened. Everyone's like, oh, you can't say that. That's rude. So everyone's like, the acoustics in here is a little high, don't you think? And it's just like, yeah, guess what? We're so back. Now we say the word acoustic instead of autistic. Good job. Good job, internet. Really won that one. We're so back. You just won the internet. You know, that's just like, that's not how you make anything meaningful. You know what I mean? You're either gay or gain 1%. Something like that. Escape the filter. Digital, yeah. You don't have the correct organization name. Hit list. No, I did have it. I did have the correct organization name. Welcome to being late to the party. I can show you my old token, but it was this. The problem was this. Are you ready? You are regarded. I was. I felt that way. It was actually the docs. You are. Yeah. I missed the S. Yeah. Classic. Intently. I am let's see, as a single main, I 100% agree. I'm not sure what we're agreeing on, but okay. So this is really cool. So that means we should be able to start creating databases if the database doesn't exist. So I guess now the question here is, can we retrieve things? Okay, it returns a database belonging to an organization and user. Okay, so that's what we need to find out. Organization, database name. Nice. Okay, so this is the thing we need to find out right here. So this is something I'm very interested in, because now what I should be able to do, right quit, Bimtron. By the way, database, returning a database. No, we're using the platform API, dog. Platform API, okay? So let's go like this. Let's do that, and let's see. New database args. I'm not really sure what else to call this struct. We'll go like that and paste that bad boy in, and let's just take everything after that and name it what? String? Yeah, yeah. You dirty dog. You know this. There we go. All right, fantastic. Func, args database, and we're gonna go like this. Create. I'm not really sure if I like that kind of. I'm not really sure how I feel about this. I don't know how I feel about that, to tell you the honest, for gosh darn truth here. Okay. Obviously, we're gonna need to do some things differently here, but I just wanted to get it here. I don't like that. I don't like it, but we're just trying to move things away. There we go. All right. So now that we got that done, let's go in here and let's paste in this new one. All right, and let's have. All right, let's put that in here. Let's go like this. Find database args. Oh, yeah, we're doing that. Organization name and name. I guess I should probably call it database name. Yeah. I don't really like how we're doing this, but let's kind of find out. Let's just kind of feel it out. You know what I mean? Because you also need other things, right? You need like token, which is a string. You know, you need that kind of crap. You know what I mean? Make it lowercase because, you know, I want to feel safe. New database, new find. Well, look at this. We're like, look at what we're doing here. Wait, what? We're just trying things out. Hey, what did I just do? Hold on. Whoa. How did you get in here? Okay, whoa. What did I just press? Name, do that. Find database. There we go. All right, we're going to have a name, which is an organization, and we're going to have a database name, which that's going to take name. That's going to take org. There we go. We're feeling good. I like that. That took way too long, by the way, to write. I'm not sure what just happened there. How did that take so long to write? Am I losing something up here? Are we slowing down, boys? Boys, are we? Blame the framework. Fucking React. I hate React. Why did it do this to me? React? Gosh, I hate you, React. Okay. Now that we got that one, we can get a little new database. Let's go. Let's see. Find equals new database. Get env token. Dude, I just hate it. And let's go like this. I tried to CIW that token. I don't know what just happened. I don't know what just happened. We got this. Oh, I named it this. Oh, man. Didn't even name it Prime Brazil! I didn't even name it Prime Brazil. Okay, if we're going to do a little find new database. All right, and I should get all the requesting and all that up there, but we're not going to do that. I just want to kind of keep these things around. You know what I mean? I just want to do that. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to yank all this stuff down here. I'll think about making it nicer here in a little bit. I guess I don't. Do we even really need that? Do I even really want to do it this way? I don't even really want to do it this way. You know what I mean? Yeah, we don't even want to do it this way. Now I'm just getting lazy. Let's go here. Let's hit him with a nil. Let's go back here. It is a, what is this? It's a get. Okay, we got a get here. We're going to do that. We're going to go organizations because we're not stupid. And it's called this. So there we go. We have all that stuff in there. Do a get to this location. Yeah. Got the authorization bearer. Maybe throw a little content type in there just in case, because I think content type might be the right way to go. And then we're going to go in here, and we're going to try just to go make that happen. Bytes imported, but not used. Database. I got a database. Okay, nice. So that's how you find a database. Okay, cool. So that's how I can get in. So that means when I do this, when I get in here and I go like this, I go to my SSH main go right here, and I toss this in with public key auth. By having with public key auth, when I do an SSH app, I will be able to print out the public key, right? My SSH context, which is right here. So if I go C, I believe, if I go C, do I have public key? No, I don't. Okay, they have public key just right here. It's not context. What is the one I'm trying to have? What is the one I'm trying to have? It's the session. That's the what I'm looking for. The session right there. So I can do something like this. Public key. Bam. I can get the public key, which means right in here, I can go like this. I can check to see if database exists. If not, create it for the user. That's pretty cool. Like, that's pretty dang easy. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm actually pretty happy with that because that is, you know, exists. There we go. So there we go. So if not, I can create a per user database, and what I can do is I can take their public key, and then I should probably hash that son of a bitch, shouldn't I? Hash that SOB key into something that is hex and not going to suck to use with database and get so many dumb errors, right? I don't want to deal with that, because there's probably gonna be something in the public key that I can't use, and I just don't even want to deal with it. So just like, don't even do that, right? Well, I'm just putting notes, because that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. Is I'm gonna actually do the thing now. Now that I know how this all works, it's actually pretty simple. This is cool. I really like this. This is gonna be fun, and so then I'm gonna probably also want to attach stuff to the SSH context. Can I do that? I guess I don't need to do that. I guess I don't need to do that, do I? Do I get to use this SSH context? See, the problem is I don't know how to do anything with the SSH context. So this is one thing I don't understand about context. I know I did some deep diving into context, but if I want to add something to the context right here, I can't. You know what I mean? I can't add anything to the context. All right, because context addition is like it's an immutable operation, so you get a new context. So when I come into here and I actually create my bubble tea program that links up to my SSH session, it doesn't have that information. So I guess I'll have to rehash the key up here and put it apart as my initial model, right? I'll have to put it up here for my initial model, right? My initial model will come in here and do all this. You can only pass down context. Exactly. Which does make sense. Like, there is something really good about only allowing a pass down of context. I think that makes most sense. But there you go. So this looks good. So I should be able to get this all done, which means I should be able to create my database name right here that will exist. I can check to validate that the thing does exist when authenticating. So upon authentication is when I'm able to tell. And then upon model setting and creating of the bubble tea application, I can then use that as my access to everything. Which actually seems pretty sweet, right? That seems pretty sweet. So then I got my database that I'm just like, select star motions. And I get the motions back. How cool is that? I think that's pretty sweet, because then I just have just like my users' stuff. Migrations will be a bitch. So that's the thing, is that I've been talking with Turso, and they say they're building some sort of whispering saying that they're building some sort of stuff to help make migrations better. I don't know if it's true, to what extent. I don't know. Maybe I'm completely making this up. I'll have to actually really understand what they're actually doing before I probably say anything. But I know that they're helping this, which is interesting. And will migrations be a bitch? I mean, maybe. I mean, you just list your databases and you upgrade it. I mean, migrations are already a bitch. Atlas for migrations. I have never used Atlas. People were suggesting Goose. Anyways, there you go. This is great. Okay, so we learned how the Turso API works, which is actually, it's shockingly easy. Pure squeal migrations are hard. They're always hard. They're like never easy. Goosely, loosely. Like, honestly, they're never easy. I know people say that migrations are easy and something. Prisma, I hear, makes it easier to do migrations, but I'm not. You can't use Atlas version to migration with Turso. Really? Why not? What does Atlas version migration do that you can't just use with Squeal? That seems kind of wild. What's the reason for single DB? I'm using SQLite, and SQLite, it's one of like the things that makes SQLite so neat is that it's really cheap, fast to make DBs, and how it works, and it's meant to scale in this kind of way, and so it's like, instead of trying to scale it out as one big heavy database, I instead try to scale it out as many light databases. You need migrate, you failed in the past. If you need to migrate, you failed in the past, or just requirements change. You know, you built the program and it worked. Yeah, it has good reads, but writes are the problem as you scale. Yeah, I've heard there's like some technical stuff and all that, and so you just kind of optimize your use case so that it never really gets big. How do you switch databases on a user request? I don't. I mean, Here's the follow-up question. For me, I'm not going to because I'm going to be using SSH. So I'll have all that information baked into the cake. Have you seen what Fly.io does with SQLite? You could use a real database. I'm pretty sure SQLite is a real database. I'm trying to new. I want to try something new because I want to see how this thing feels. You know what I mean? I want to try out how this goes because there's embedded replicas. There's a lot of cool things you can do with it, and I enjoy learning new things. Lightstream is cool. Yeah, I haven't tried Lightstream. So SQLite is amazing. A lot of people love SQLite. It is 70% of all DBs. Not real DB though, right? SQLite is really awesome. The best part about SQLite is that you could also point something to a file. And when you point it to a file, that can become a SQLite database. And so for testing, you could literally have, as a test scenario, a setup database to be in the exact situation you need, run it once, have the test work out, and boom, that's that. Like, that's one really, really cool thing that I'm actually kind of excited about when it comes to SQLite is having really interesting integration tests. Any hints on what your Laracon talk is going to be about? Very, very simple. Engineering enthusiasm and excellence. Hey, by the way, Talons, I appreciate that. By the way, we still need to have our talk. Pocketbase, I don't know that. I assume you would have to dynamically generate a DB and a token per user onboarding and store that info in your core DB. Yeah. If you wanted to do this like for a website, you would obviously have some sort of login table. One could imagine you could have a login DB. You could have some sort of way to associate a login with their information. So yes, I'm going to have some things that are going to be doing with this, and that's going to be fun. That's going to be kind of fun to play around with. Why not just use a JSON file instead of SQLite? Because I don't want to write, because then I have to rewrite my SQL operations, and writing is incredibly expensive. You can run SQLite inside of WebAssembly. Yeah, that's cool. There's a lot of cool things about SQLite. SQLite has quite a few cool things about it. Yeah, I think mobile development with SQLite is like it's actually incredible what you can do. Because with mobile development, you just assume, oh, cool. You can make one connection, then keyword attach every DB path. Oh, I didn't know about this. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff I need to still understand about SQLite. I don't know a ton about it. I know very little about SQLite. All I know is I'm excited about it. Can I run Doom in SQLite? Maybe. All right, I got to go to bed. I got to go be with my hot, hot wife. Sorry, I know we just got raided. Jesu, let's go. We like Jesu. All right, people. Hey, everybody. I gotta go. Ciao, root. Hot wife. You probably turned on by hard drives. I got a hot wife. And 4 kids. Bonne nuit. I don't know what that means, but I appreciate that. I just got here. I'm sorry. All right, hey, thanks, everybody. Bye. I gotta go.